Hey!
All right, morning. We're going to work on your signature workshop this morning. So we're going to be working on your story. We're going to be working on your point of view and philosophy. We're going to be working on the breakthrough experience that you give people, and then the call to adventure.
Let's go! Been waiting for this day since leaving social media 19 days ago.
Okay, so let's start with your niche. Who do you help?
I help fathers recover from really bad divorces and build lives their kids would be proud of.
Okay, that is a much clearer niche than I imagined. Let's dig in. So first, your story. What's your personal story that connects with the transformation you're offering these men?
I was born a small baby.
Everyone is born a small baby.
I was born a reasonably sized baby that raised absolutely no alarms to anyone whatsoever, and when I was 15, I realized the earth was flat.
Okay, I love the passion. Huge leap in narrative. Remember, this isn't your whole life story. You got to pick a story that is going to connect to the fathers you're helping, that will be relevant to them and their situation. Make sense?
This is the problem. People don't realize the truth anymore.
I understand.
Ever hear about the ice wall?
Right. So,
NASA's never released a full photo of the Earth. It's all CGI, man.
right. Look, let's choose a story that connects to the transformation you help these fathers with.
10 years ago, I went through a brutal divorce that almost destroyed me. But over the years, I realized I needed to take responsibility for my life instead of blaming her. And I rebuilt my life. And I rebuilt it in a way that my kids are proud of. And I'm no longer carrying the blame and the bitterness.
Okay. So let's try your core philosophy. What's the core idea that your workshop is built around?
The Earth is a realm, not a globe.
No.
Gravity is a mindset.
No.
Got it. The Matrix is real. Reality is a simulation.
No, again, it should really relate directly to the problem your clients are facing. The fathers with the divorce.
You need to take total responsibility for your role in the divorce and stay in your own lane if you want to build back better.
Good. Maybe don't use that last line, though. A lot of freight there.
Fine.
All right. What's the breakthrough experience that your workshop is going to guide people through?
I got it. So, at the 47-minute mark, we all scream into jars and seal them tight, then bury them in the backyard, symbolically ending the reign of the oligarchs.
You think that's going to help them experience more clarity about the divorce?
No, but it'll liberate our ancestors.
How about something smaller that helps them just figure out one simple next step they can take, like a journaling prompt or a guided meditation or a decision-making process?
Can they still scream a little bit?
Sure. If it's helpful for delivering the workshop's promise.
Oh, it is. But we could also have them make a list of all the ways that, they contributed to the divorce.
Great.
By screaming into a jar.
Now, the final part. What's the call to adventure? What's the next step you're inviting them onto?
Boom. Easy. Use code Dumpster69 for 20% off my pineal gland opening supplement.
No. Not a product, not an affiliate link. This is where you invite them to work with you. So it's a coaching program, a next leg of the journey, some one-on-one work.
Oh, so come do more of this with me if you want your life to change?
Exactly.
Come scream into more jars with me weekly in my 6-week transformation vortex. Boom. Jars included. Got it.
Okay, so let's recap. The story should show how you made the shift. The philosophy and point of view shows how that shift is made. The breakthrough experience gives them a real experience of making that shift. And then the call to adventure is inviting them to work with you. That make sense? Great. Now that is a signature workshop, and you deliver it again and again on virtual stages, in person, making it better every time you do it.
I'm totally getting this. You're such a good teacher.
If you think you can design a signature workshop better than that, go to magicmedia.com/signature-workshop, where you can learn about the craft and tour your signature workshop that Bradley and I will be leading in September.
Bam!